Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look, first of all, at the tropics with the Atlantic Ocean, of course, and the Gulf of Mexico, the two areas that we've been keeping an eye on. First, we'll talk about Franklin over here, which has become the first major hurricane of the Atlantic season this season. No real concern to us. It's going to steer off to the northeast and continue to stay away from us. It might provide some rough serve to the East Coast, but otherwise, that's really about it as far as impacts go from Franklin. Now, we've got Idalia over here, which is a tropical storm right now, forecasted to become a hurricane as we go through the next couple of days. And it could actually gain a lot of strength in a short period of time because the Gulf Coast waters are extremely warm out there. So this storm could become a category 1 hurricane and go all the way to category 3 before making landfall somewhere on the Gulf Coast side of Florida as we move through the week. Now, let's get in closer to home, and you can see how this track has shifted over the last really 24 to 36 hours. When we first shared the track with you, Rowan County was in the midst of it. The entire county was in the red that you see here. As time has gone on, that track has shifted to where only portions of the county were in it. To now, none of the counties in it. As a matter of fact, it looks like it's basically going to move across the state of Florida and then start to hug the Atlantic coastline before making its way back out to sea as we get later in the week. Now, we'll still see impacts from it. We'll still feel impacts from it, as what will happen is we could get some tropical moisture associated with Idalia as we get to Wednesday and Thursday. The other thing that's happening is this stalled front that you see right here. And that's going to do a couple of things. One is it's actually going to steer Idalia away from us as we go through the week because of the fact that it's a steering current and it'll push Idalia off to the northeast. But the flip side is it will provide us with rain over the next couple of days. Now, one thing we have seen as well are the trends are going down for how much rain we could see. Yesterday, when I did this video forecast update, we were looking at the potential for 1 to 2 inches of rainfall around the county, with areas to our east getting anywhere from 4+ inches of rainfall. That, because of the shift with Idalia and the fact that this front looks like it's going to move east just a little bit over the coming days, will actually help to move the heavier rainfall amounts down toward the Idalia track. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the models are showing for today. And we're really just, well, first of all, we'll talk about the radar since that's what popped up first. So you can see we've got some rain up to our north, some isolated rain showers off to our east, some widespread rain to our southwest. Nothing going on around the county right now, as you see, we're getting closer to home. But we could see some isolated showers throughout the day because, again, that front's kind of stalled right over here. So rain will develop off and on with it. And you'll get more widespread rain really as we get to the evening hours. A lot of that coming from the heating of the day more so than anything. But we'll continue to keep you updated on that. Now let's take a look at the model data. And as we do, this is going to be really at 7 p.m. tonight, because not a whole lot happening until we get later in the evening tonight. And you can see this is at 7 p.m. Here's Salisbury. We'll get in a little closer to home to give you some points of reference here. Salisbury, Cleveland, China Grove, Kannapolis, just to give you some points of reference. So this is 7 p.m. And oh, it jumped back on me when I clicked it. So again, this is 7 p.m. We'll now take you to 8 p.m. And there you can see there are some isolated showers and maybe even some thunderstorms around the county by that point, as our best chances for rain, much like yesterday, are going to be once we get to around the sunset times and once the sun starts to go down, as the activity seems to increase at that point and we get some rain chances heading into the overnight hours. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that as well. Now let's take a look at the stats for today. Pollen levels are going to be low to moderate, thanks in part to some of the rain we've been getting over the past couple of days. Ragweed, chenopod's, and grasses continue to be the main pollen drivers. The UV index is going to be moderate today because we're going to have more cloud cover than we have had in some time. So we'll still see the sun pop out on occasion, but more of a mostly cloudy sky when it's not raining. The air quality is going to be a code green today. Just to give you an idea of how much the rain chances in terms of accumulation totals have dropped, this is through this evening around 10 p.m. And you can see really just here's the county right here where I've got my mouse pointing at. And you've got this one little area right here that's on the western side of the county that could see about a half an inch of rainfall by this evening. Now, again, as we go into the overnight hours, those chances do increase. So just keep that in mind. But again, this is around 10 p.m. this evening. And as you saw from that model data I showed you a moment ago, we aren't expecting to see any rain until at least 8 p.m. this evening. So that kind of balances out a little bit there. The bus stop forecast this morning as the kids head out the door at 7 a.m. Temperature is going to be around 73 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. By the return trip home this afternoon around 4 p.m., temperature is going to be around 81 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. And we can't rule out the isolated chance of a shower or maybe even a thunderstorm around the county at that point. The mowing forecast, much like yesterday, you're going to have pretty much all day to get it done. Can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm that could interfere with it, but right now your chances are better of getting it done and staying dry than they are of actually seeing rain, at least during the daytime hours. The mosquito forecast has extreme levels of activity today and Tuesday with high levels by Wednesday. Some of these cooler overnight temperatures are going to help reduce the activity some as we go through the week. Rowan County Weather would like to take this opportunity to thank the advertising partners that help make Rowan County Weather possible. Call It Closed International Realty. Alan Ellsworth is a client first, results driven individual. He's there to help you with all your real estate needs. You can check out his website at alan.ellsworth at callitclosed.com. You can email him at alanellsworth.callitclosed.com. And you can give him a call 980-330-8401. Hall Roofing Solutions, if you've got damage that needs to be repaired or it's time for a whole roof replacement, give Kevin a call, 980-643-4373. KH Trailer Rentals, if you need a trailer for a short period of time, because maybe you're moving or you're doing some cleaning and you need to haul some things away, KH Trailer Rentals can help you. For more information, head over to RowanCountyWeather.com. On the right-hand side of our blog page, you will see this exact same graphic. You can click that graphic. It will take you directly to their website for all the details. Mitchell's Custom Fabrication. They offer services like welding, fabrication, powder coating, CNC cutting, milling, and more. For more information, visit mitchellscustomfab.com. You can give them a call, 828-598-1160. Our friends at Patterson Farm wrapping up summer fun on the farm this weekend ends this coming Saturday. Tuesday through Saturday are the hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The last ticket sold around 12:30 p.m. to ensure enough time for activities. Tickets include access to the barnyard and Pawpaw Carl's playground. They're $10 online. You get 1 cup of animal feed included in your purchase, and you'll enjoy heading over to the barn and feeding animals like cows, chickens, goats, pigs, ducks, peacocks, and much, much more. You can head over to the playground and enjoy a great time over there, maneuvering through the spider web, sliding down the big red slide. You can try your hand at the music and mud pie area, cook up something in the farm to table area, play King of the Hill in the tractor tire mountain, have fun in the sand pit area as well. Make sure to bring lunch and enjoy the picnic area, but make sure to also save room for dessert and head over and get a hand dipped ice cream from the farm. The market and ice cream shop hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Sunday, 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. They're closed on Mondays. For more information, you can visit the website you see here on your screen. Chuck's Trains and Hobby Depot. They're located at 131 South Central Avenue in Landis. Chuck'sTrains.com is the website. From retro to the latest craze, they've got something for the kid and everyone. They have candy, toys, magic tricks, games, puzzles, Pokemon, trains, models, science projects, STEM projects, rockets, and more at Chuck's Trains and Hobby Depot. As we take a look at the forecast, we've got a 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be mainly for the evening hours once the sun has gone down. High of 81, low of 71. On Tuesday, 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms, high of 81, low of 70. Wednesday, we'll see a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms, high of 78 with a low of 71. On Thursday, we'll see a 30% chance of rain, mainly for the early morning hours. And then once that clears, we'll start to see some clearing going on with the sun popping back out by Thursday afternoon. We'll see a high of 74 with a low of 64. On Friday, we'll see sunny skies, high of 75, low of 58. Saturday, sunny skies, high of 79, low of 58. And on Sunday, sunny skies, high of 84 with a low of 61. The forecast is sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. You can visit them on their website at www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website at rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Threads. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Monday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.